What happening? Country Boy 85. Building retainer wall for my wife, raised bed. Back at it again. Had to give me some dirt to level this spot out. Now I'm just trying to get everything situated. Trying to build a retainer wall so the water won't wash it out. Yeah, she got me working again. But what they say, half a wife, half a life. Just trying to get everything level, straight, and I'll be back with y'all with the final result. Whew. What happening? Country Boy 85. I'm not done with this kind of warm mat. Got a whole nother side to go. Gotta put some more dirt. But yeah, we're about to get it. Been working hard, man. But we have it done by tomorrow. Gotta put some more fill in, some more dirt. Get this side on. Be done. Oh yeah. Like I said, if you don't have it, subscribe to my channel. So hit the subscribe button, like, share. And as Jesus love you, and so do I. Go.
Take my pain, take my fear, take my pride and make it disappear. Take my plans and take my thoughts, take my burdens to the foot of the cross. I can't waste another moment. If it ain't you, then I don't want it. If I'm lonely, being on it. When you come from the bottom, the only way is up. He told you you wouldn't make it, you never be.
What happening? Country Boy 85. Back at it again. Started from the bottom, now we here. We done with the wall, now we trying to level the dirt out so we can put in the beds. Whew. We got it. I think my wife likes it, so I think I got it. But we just doing the finishing touching. And when we set the bed, we'll be back. Gone.
Come on. Right now, yeah.
What happening? Country Boy 85 back. This is what we had completed. I think it's gonna be super cool. Now we gotta put the mulch the dirt in the raised beds, and then we'll be done with this project. I think I did a good job. I think we did. Oh yeah. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, share, comment. If you see anything I can improve on, let me know. Other than that, Jesus love you and so do I. Gone. What happening? Country Boy 85. Man, finally done. My wife already been putting stuff in there. What is this? All Purple Beauty. Pepper plant. Another pepper plant. See what we got over here. There is a black eggplant. What is this? Another Purple Beauty. I worked hard on it. Glad she like it. That's the end result of it. And it's that's it. Yeah. I said if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, share, comment. Thank you. Jesus love you, so do I.